Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tea cake at home, step by step. First, let's gather all our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Also have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Having everything prepared makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's start mixing. Begin by creaming together the 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, alternating with the 1/2 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare an 8-inch round baking pan by greasing and flouring it thoroughly to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the tea cake batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before gently inverting it onto a wire rack. Your beautiful tea cake is almost ready. After cooling in the pan, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. For a classic finish, simply dust the top with a generous amount of powdered sugar. If you prefer, you could also add a light glaze or a thin layer of frosting. Once decorated, slice your homemade tea cake into 8 to 12 delicious servings. Enjoy this delightful treat with a cup of your favorite tea or coffee. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.